Then on part 2 I talked about some sort of bedding that you want to use. You can use wood, carbon materials. So I've got newspaper clippings. I did this last night. We had a pile of newspaper and materials that cardboards, what else we've got in here? We've got egg containers, fixtures, boxes that we've used. The worms love those. They'll just get in and munch all that up. And then there's the cardboard for the egg cartons. We've got our system, and as I mentioned, in this system, what we're going to be doing is the bottom, the black one, is where the water's getting caught. We've got a lid here, which is a filter, and in the bottom of where the worms are going to go, or the composting, my composting materials is going to go inside this green one. I also have another one you can put on top in due time, which I'll show you at the end. And then there's the lid to stop water coming in from externally. Now, at the base here, I'm putting in cardboard across here. That'll actually soak up the moisture out of here. But if I tip this straight into there, obviously it's going to fall through the holes, and you'll have a whole lot of worms and dirt in there, and that's not, you're really not wanting that to happen. So a couple of things you can do, like I've just done here, is you place in your cardboard. They will eventually eat this, but hopefully not before your system works to where you actually take the worms out of here and then use the material, the compost that you've got out of this, the worm castings, and fertilise your, you can fertilise your pot plants or your seedlings that you're using, or back into the garden. You can put a sprinkler around on top and dig it in. However, if it's slow and they do eat that down, then you can use a container, take out the worms, relay everything, and then put the worms back in until such time you're ready to go. With the second tier, that's exactly a copy of this one, you would, once they come up, they'll eventually migrate up into the next tier up, and all the worms will come up. There'll be still some in there. There'll be eggs, worms, cells still in this one, but most of your worms will be